Good morning, my dear children. Here is your Vijda ma'am, your communicative English teacher, going to teach something special for you. Now, let me ask you some questions. Will you answer me, my dear children? Will you answer me? Yes. Very good, children. How do you communicate with your parents? Which language we are using, my dears? Which language we are using? Someone is saying the answer. Yes, you said it. Malayalam. That is our mother tongue. But when you come to our Al-Hind family, we will learn an extra new language. Do you know what it is? English. Are you all ready to speak in English with ma'am? Are you all ready, children? If you are ready, give me a sweet smile with a thumbs up. Say cheese, my dear children, cheese. Smile, everyone. Very good. Thank you, children. Okay. Can you see anything on this board, my dears? Can you see? Yes, I can see so many faces are here. Have you seen these faces anywhere, my dears? Have you seen these faces? You just think it out. Yes, you just think. Of course, in your parents' mobile. These all are the feelings which comes on our faces. What are these, children? These all are the different feelings which comes on our faces. Let us count all these faces together. Shall we count together? Will you count with me? Yes. We will start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All together 9 faces are here. 9 different faces are here. So, I will talk about it one by one. Are you all ready? This is the story time. This is Irfan. Are you all ready for the story, my dears? This is Irfan's story. When he gets more chocolates, he will be very happy. Irfan is very happy when he is getting more chocolates. And that time his face will be likewise. That time his face will be likewise. Like us. When we are happy, we will smile. When we want to express our happiness more, we will laugh. Ha ha ha. Okay. Can you all show me your happiness face to me, my dear children? All of you smile one more time. Okay, very good, children. Now, Irfan's face is sad. He is not happy because he is not having chocolates. See the face of Irfan now. See the face? He is sad. Can you all show me your sad face to me, my dears? His face will be likewise. He is sad. Okay. This is the face of sad. Slowly, his face became red in color, frowning, with full of anger. Now his face is likewise. See, he is in an angry mood because he is having no chocolates, no. His face is likewise. Let us give some chocolates and take his anger away. Now he will be very happy. See, let's give him some chocolates. Now he is very happy and jumped out of joy. This is the joyful mood of Irfan. This is the joyful mood of Irfan. As he started to eat the chocolates, someone tried to grab the chocolates. Someone tried to grab the chocolates from his hand. Irfan got scared. This is the scary face of Irfan. See the scary face of Irfan? Can you all show me your scary face, my dears? Can you all show me? Yes, this is the scary face. Let's keep it back. Then he ate a lot of chocolates. Afterwards, he wants to do some exercise with a good rhyme. Shall we do some exercise with Irfan? Are you ready, children? I will sing a good rhyme for you for the exercise. All of you stand up. Yes. If you're happy and you know, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know and really want to show. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, nod your head. If you're happy and you know, nod your head. If you're happy and you know and really want to show. If you're happy and you know, nod your head. If you're happy and you know, say hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know, say hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know and really want to show. If you're happy and you know, say hooray. Yes. Are you all happy, children? Now, see the face of Irfan. After the exercise, he feels tired and his face become likewise, my dears. His face become likewise. He is so tired and he feels hungry also. See? And he feels hungry also. He wants to eat many chocolates. He wants to eat more chocolates. So, he took the chocolates and started to eat. When he started to eat the chocolates, his friend saw his opened mouth and black colored teeth also. When his friends started making fun of him, he feels shy. He feels shy. Why? By seeing the black colored teeth. Why, children? Why our white colored teeth became black color? He is having a habit of eating chocolates. So my dear children, don't eat more chocolates. Don't eat more chocolates. So let it be here, Irfan's shy face. And he was hurt too. Let us conclude this story. Don't eat more chocolates. Always eat healthy foods and always be happy. My dear children, whatever I spoke, whatever I taught, all these feelings, about the feelings, it is there in the Butterflies textbook, term number 1, the last page, page number 88. Page number 88. So with your parents' help, all of you just go through this textbook, page number 88. So it's the time of wind up. Shall we sing a rhyme again? If you're happy and you know, say bye-bye-bye. If you're happy and you know, say bye-bye-bye. If you're happy and you know, then really want to show. If you're happy and you know, say bye-bye.